AntonioJavar here with another episode of Inspired Living, where we get into talking about how to improve your psychology, increase your emotional intelligence, renew your energy, and break through mental limitations. We touch on some other stuff too, but those are really the areas of what Inspired Living with AntonioJavar is all about. All right, so I'm really excited because, as I told you in the email last week, this series that I'm going to be talking about for the next 2 to 3 weeks is where I'm inviting you to think about how you really think about your past, present, and future. And so in this video, I'm going to be inviting you to really go within yourself, and we're going to focus on some positive and powerful ways to think about your past. You know, growing up, my father wasn't always in my life. He was in and out. And I mean, it caused me a lot of pain. It caused me a lot of emotional trauma. I grew up not knowing that I was looking for something. I was looking to be fulfilled, a void to be fulfilled. I didn't think I was good enough. I didn't think I was wanted. And as I got older, I'm 31 now, but in my 20s, often in my 20s, I would think about my childhood and just the pain of it, right? Just it was as if though I was feeling the pain from the past now. And the first thing I had to do, and this is the first way I want to invite you to think about your past, is to think about it with gratitude. See, I had to stop thinking about my past in a way where I was bringing that pain into the present. And I had to begin to, go through everything I had to go through to deal with the pain and really love my father. And, we'll definitely talk about that in some other episodes. But for now, it wasn't until I began to feel grateful for everything that I went through in my past. Because when I realized that even the pain, even the contrast, the things that I did not want to happen, they were setting me up for me to become who I am becoming in a positive and a powerful way. And so when you make a decision, remember everything, whether you know it or not, how you feel and how you think about your past, no matter how you're thinking about it, you are making a decision and you're choosing to think that way, whether consciously or unconsciously. And so when I became aware of this, I decided, I'm grateful for everything I went through. I'm grateful for those moments where, I felt alone, where, I thought I wasn't good enough, because those moments, once I was able to deal with that pain, once I was able to, make amends with my father, I grew from it. And now I can help other people. Gratitude, thinking about your past and gratitude allows you to release. It allows you to see the other side. It allows you to see the benefits of what you went through, not just how it hurt you. And what you went through in your past cannot hold you once you decide that you are going to intentionally change the perspective and your perception about the past. And that may take time, right? But when you know that, if I'm not thinking about my past and gratitude for everything I went through, I may not be where I want to be concerning my past. All right, and number 2, forgiveness. You want to look at your past, you want to do your best to say, you know what, I forgive myself. I forgive those that hurt me. Now, you may say, oh my God, it's not that easy, Antonio. I'm not saying that it's easy to do. But there's power in making the decision that says, you know what, I'm going to work for, I'm going to make it my intention that some way, somehow, I'm going to begin to move towards gratitude and forgiveness when it comes to my past. Because as long as you hold on, you think about your past with a dark light, with pain, and that stuff is coming into your now. And it is affecting you now. All right. So that's it for now. I love talking with y'all. I love hearing from y'all. I'm so excited about what's ahead. A lot of the ways that I was able to deal and overcome what was in my past and, with my father in childhood was through tools like meditation, and visualization. But particularly meditation. Meditation allowed me to sit and observe my thoughts rather than to be one with them and own the pain that I was feeling. I was able to observe that pain, right? So I have an ebook coming out soon. I'm really excited. It's called Awakening, 5 Ways to Calm Your Mind for Meditation. And I'm so excited about it, y'all. Listen, life is happening now. It is really time for us to really just go all out and live, So I love you. And when I say that, I really mean it. Thank you for tuning in. Don't give up on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. You are doing well in spite of everything. Remember that. Okay? AntonioJavar, over and out. I'll see y'all on the next episode of Inspired Living. Peace.